Nobody wants to make a mistake in calculating their business profits. It will lead to the wrong tax bill and HMRC won't be happy. So what can you do to avoid mistakes? You should make sure that you keep on top of your business records so that your profits are correct. If you do not keep records of your expenditure, then your sales and expenses will not be reflected correctly in the accounts. We love cloud accounting. It makes it so much easier to keep your records up to date. The software automatically imports your bank statements, so there are no input errors, and you can just take photos of your purchase invoices and the software and our team do the rest. The profit and loss from your business will only be correct if your income is included within the accounts. With some exceptions for very small businesses, you will usually include sales based on the date on the sales invoice. Make sure you report cash sales, barter arrangements, scrap sales and contra sales within your accounts. Review all your purchases and expenses to make sure that they are included in your tax return so that your reported profit is correct. Expenses are only allowable if they are wholly and exclusively incurred for the purposes of the business. If you're a sole trader or a partnership, then you do not have to claim actual expenses, as you can use simplified expenses. If your business holds stock, it is important that you do not overlook it or value it incorrectly, as this will create errors. Work in progress is quite complex, so it may be worth getting some advice to ensure it is correct. There are miscellaneous areas that should also be considered. For example, review post-balance sheet events and consider whether any adjustments are needed to the accounts. Staff costs must also be reviewed, as amounts unpaid 9 months after the end of the year should be added back to the tax return. Directors' loan account transactions should be recorded on the date the amounts are credited. When submitting your business's profits into a tax return, make sure that you use this handy guide to avoid making any mistakes, so that your tax return will be as accurate as possible. I hope that's useful. If you'd like to have a look at any of our other videos where we answer lots of questions on tax and accounts, take a look at our YouTube page. You can also subscribe for more videos.